Barcelona vs Liverpool at the Camp Nou is set to be a pulsating 90 minutes in the Champions League semi-final. The La Liga giants are favourites to reach the final in Madrid, but it's hard to bet against Jurgen Klopp's side this season. The Reds are still dreaming of winning their first ever Premier League title and are hoping to reach their second consecutive Champions League final. It's a fantastic time to be a Liverpool fan right now. It's no wonder thousands travelled over to Barcelona ahead of Wednesday's first leg. Videos have shown Coppites enjoying themselves on the famous La Rambla street in the city. However, unfortunately, two videos have emerged that show some disgraceful behavior from some Liverpool fans. The first video shows a local man standing on the edge of a fountain before being pushed in by a Liverpool supporter. As the poor victim is left drenched looking around for the culprit, Liverpool fans can be heard laughing and start chanting "Liverpool, take the P***SS. Then, what appears to be the same fan wearing a blue fleece and jeans, comes up behind another unsuspecting local and tips him into the fountain. Let's just hope he can be identified and punished. As a result, a significant number of police officers confronted Liverpool fans on Tuesday evening and marched them out of La Rambla and attempt to disperse the large number of supporters. According to Spanish reports, 6 Liverpool fans were arrested for public disorder. It's such a shame to see such scenes on the eve of what should be an incredible spectacle on the pitch. Liverpool fans in Barcelona have been filmed pushing locals into a fountain as trouble brewed in the city ahead of Wednesday's Champions League semi-final first leg. At least 2 videos have surfaced on social media showing supporters shoving local people into a fountain in the middle of the popular Plaza Real Square. Hundreds of travelling fans congregated in the square on Tuesday afternoon when the incidents occurred. It comes amid reports 6 Liverpool fans have been arrested in Catalonia. 2 workers at the Plaza Real Hotel were allegedly assaulted and required medical attention, while 2 others suffered bruises, including a broken nose, according to reports in Mundo Deportivo. Spanish newspaper Sport reports that fans threw objects at police and that nearly 3,000 cans of beers, to be sold around the busy square, have been confiscated. But Liverpool fans have taken to social media to accuse the Spanish police of hugely overreacting. One supporter said, "The Spanish police looked like they wanted a reaction. None came. The restraint was commendable. They were battened, sick, up in crash helmets. We were enjoying a drink in a bar at the side. Everyone in the square was having a good time. They rushed and battened people for no reason. I would be shocked if I hadn't seen Spanish policing of football before."